All right, kiddos, you should have your worksheet entitled The Right Road on Possessives, and it's worksheet 191 on our checklist. You should already have filled in the top here. If you want to show one person owning something, you add apostrophe S. If you want to show more than one person owning something, you add S apostrophe. Really what you're doing is just adding the apostrophe because the S is already there. And if a plural noun doesn't end in S, add apostrophe S, like children becomes children's, to show ownership. All right, number one, the truck of the mail carrier. Well, there's only one mail carrier, so it will be the mail carrier, apostrophe S, truck. Mail carrier's truck is what you should have. If you don't have it, fix it. The homes of the students. Well, it's more than one student, so we're just putting the apostrophe after the S. The students' homes, plural possessive. Number three, the hats of the clown. It's one clown, so it should be apostrophe S. The clown, apostrophe S, hats. The cars of the drivers. Well, it's more than one driver, so it's going to be S apostrophe. The drivers' cars. Number five, the nose of the snowman. It's only one snowman, apostrophe S. The snowman, apostrophe S. Snowman's nose belongs to him. The fur of the kitten. One kitten. The kitten, apostrophe S, fur. The rays of the sun. The sun, apostrophe S, rays. All right, on to number eight. Pencils of the writer. It is one writer, so it's apostrophe S. The writer, apostrophe S. Pencils belong to the writer. The wool of the 5 sheep. Now this is already plural because it's 5 sheep, but since it doesn't end in S, you just put apostrophe S. The 5 sheep, apostrophe S, wool. Covers of the books. Well, it is already plural, so we just put the apostrophe after the S. The books covers. Number 11, the hats of the men. Sorry about that little blob on the page. I don't know what I can do about that. It's in the regular plural, so it's already plural, apostrophe S. The men, apostrophe S, hats. Fix anything you need to fix. In pen, not black pen. Turn the page. All right, the house that Jack has becomes Jack's house. The rooms that the teachers have, well, it's more than one teacher, so it's S apostrophe, the teacher's rooms. The desk that Sue has, it's only one Sue, Sue apostrophe S, desk. The web that the spider weaves, well, the spider has the web, it's one spider. Sorry, it doesn't line up correctly. The spider, apostrophe S, web. Number 5, the cages that the dogs have. It's more than one dog, so it will be S apostrophe. The dogs, whoops, make it plural, cages. And some of you are putting S apostrophe S. That would say the dogs' cages. Does that sound right to you? Don't think so. Number 6. The desks that the students have, it's more than one student. The students, plural, apostrophe, desks. The dress that the girl has, the girl, one girl, apostrophe S, dress. And the toys that the children have. Children is already plural. The children, apostrophe S, toys. All right, anything that you missed, make sure you understand why. Make sure you have fixed it in pen. You may keep this in your centers folder to turn in with your checklist at the end of the rotation. That is it.